Hi guys, this is Deepshika. Welcome back to my channel Sassy Doctor. Today video is about this makeup look that I have created, and I would like to tell you that a very best friend of mine, school friend, gifted me something that I really wanted to use. That's why I was waiting for it, and then I thought it's the perfect time to shoot the video. So I think you want to know what it is. So very quickly I'm going to show you this beautiful palette. This is from Makeup Revolution Patrician Bright Shadow Palette, and it looks something like this. You can see how beautiful colors these are. Please ignore my messy background. You can see this is a beautiful palette, and of course, as usual, I'll give you a link for this in the description box. You can check it out for yourself. I have seen this myself. It is available on Myntra, Nykaa, Purple, and you can buy this from wherever site you like. And I think it's on off too, so you can check it out for Diwali offers too. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Deepshika. I'm a MBBS graduate, and here in YouTube I just make makeup videos and lifestyle vlogging, and I hope you like my videos. If you find my videos interesting, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram as Sassy Medico, and in YouTube it is Sassy Doctor. I'll change it in some time because many of you have been telling me that it's a bit confusing that here you are Sassy Doctor and on Instagram you are Sassy Medico. So I'll try to indulge this into one. I'll let you know soon what it would be, Sassy Medico or Sassy Doctor. So without much ado, let's quickly jump into the video. Hi once again. So this is my no makeup look. I want to tell you that I have done my brows already, so now I'm just gonna moisturize my face with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. You know very well that I have been using this for a very long time. I'm just gonna use a little amount of it because I know I'm gonna use primer after this, so I'm not using in much quantity. Plus moisturizing your skin before makeup is very essential, as you know some people who have a bit of dry skin, or as you know that it's winter, so your skin might be affected, especially your makeup, if you don't moisturize your skin. For primer, I'm using Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. If you have been following my previous videos, you know very well that I am using this primer all the time. You can directly use your makeup after moisturizing your skin without using a primer, but the thing is, if you use a primer, it sets your makeup very well, and it also creates a layer between your skin and makeup, so that the products that are you using doesn't affect your skin directly. In fact, you can say that primer acts as a layer on which your makeup sits on. You just apply it all over your face, and as I'm gonna be doing eye makeup too, so I'm gonna prime my eyes as well. Next step would be concealing my eyes. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline New Instant Age Refined Concealer. I'm gonna be using this concealer for hiding my dark spots as well, but first I'm gonna cover my under eyes, and I will apply concealer on my upper lids as well, because I know I'm gonna be doing a good eye makeup, so it creates a kind of canvas, you can say, so that my eyeshadow pops out very well. And now I'm just gonna dab this concealer with a beauty blender. What I did was I sprayed some rose water onto my beauty blender to make it a bit damp, not too runny. You can also use two concealers, like one which is close to your skin tone and the other one for brightening it up. You can say a bit lighter shade, but here I'm using only one. And if you want me to use both type of concealer in the next video, do let me know in the comment section. Now I'm going to be using Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. What I'm going to be doing is that I'm just going to put some amount of powder under my eyes so that when I do my eye makeup, थोड़ा बहुत भी अगर आई शेडो नीचे गिरता है मेरी आंखों के तो आई कैन ईजिली डस्ट इट ऑफ. It's easier, plus your concealer wouldn't be affected and it wouldn't bother you much. And later when you're done with your eye makeup, you can dust it off with a brush. For my eye makeup, I'm using Makeup Revolution London Eye Palette Patricia Bright, and you can see it's a very colorful eye palette, and I'm going to be using pink shades in this palette. The first shade that I'm using is Taste the Rainbow. I'm going to be just doing my outer corner of the eye with this. This is a brighter pink, so I'm just going to be using this, and later I'll be using the lighter one. I'll let you know the shade later. And whatever extra eyeshadow I'll be having after this, I'll just clean it with the earbud. It will be very easy. I'll let you know this later. It's always better to put a darker eyeshadow in your outer corner of the eye. It just makes your eyes look big and it gives a very good finishing touch to it. The second shade that I'm using is this Pink's Poppin'. It's a bit lighter shade of the pink, and you can put as much amount as you want. And if you use a light pink or less amount of this on your upper lid, that's not a problem, because we will be using a shimmer from the same palette which will define your eye makeup very well, and it would be perfect for this festive look. If you prefer keeping it simple, you can stop here, but if you want a bit loud eye makeup, you can use that shimmer as I have in this makeup tutorial. You can also use blue color eyeshadow for this look, but I am using pink because in the next video that I will be uploading, I'll show you how I'm gonna be using this makeup for wearing 3 different kurtis. One will be that you're wearing, of course, blue one would be pink kurti, and the other one would be white, printed white kurti. And I think it will look very very good, and you can see it for yourself when I upload the next video soon, and stay tuned for that as well. I'm just doing this eye makeup very easily. You can see I'm just moving my brush back and forth, and if you want more good finishing, you can see I'm using circular motions to blend the eye shadow into my eye so that it fits in very properly. Now, as I told you earlier, I'm going to be using a earbud for removing whatever extra eyeshadow is present over my outer corner of the eye, and I'm just gonna clean it off so that I can move ahead with the shimmer. The shimmer shade is Wow in the palette that I'll be using. First, what I did was I used my finger to put on the shimmer, but it was very sticky and it wasn't sitting well at its place. So what I did was I just spread it out with the help of a brush. You can do the same. I think it's a very pigmented shimmer, so what you have to do is you have to take a little amount of it if you're using your fingers, and if you're using a brush, then you have to take a little bit of it so that you can put it wherever you want. Now, as I'm done with my upper lid eye makeup, I'm just gonna dust off the extra loose powder that I had put earlier, so that it completes my baking procedure as well as my makeup sets in. Now I'm gonna just use this eye palette for lining my lower waterline. I'll be using that Pink's Poppin' again with the thin brush so that I line my lower waterline very well. It gives a kind of good finish to your whole eye makeup. You can use black kajal or a pink
kajal if you have, but I prefer using this because I already have used it on my lid, so it will give a uniform look to my eyes, so I'm using this. You don't have to be very harsh with this, like you are taking a very big amount of it and you are using as if it looks very loud. So you just have to be patient with this procedure what I'm doing. And a tip for this is that you can just spray some gulab gel or makeup setter and you can see how beautiful this looks. Now I'm using this Maybelline highlighter in the shade Molten Gold to highlight my brow bone. You can see I'm using it very softly and it would give such a bright look. You can use a silver highlighter as well, but I prefer using this highlighter because I'm gonna be highlighting my face later after applying my foundation with this highlighter only, so I prefer using this. You can see it's very beautiful and I really recommend this highlighter. It's a must have in your makeup vanity when it comes to highlighter. It's affordable, it's beautiful, and it has a really good quantity that you can use. I really love to use highlighter while using my makeup. For eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline New York, the Colossal Eyeliner, and you can see how beautiful that looks. And for mascara, I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational, and I think it's a must have. You must be thinking, what is wrong with you, Deepshika? You are telling one or two products which are must have. So, what I'm trying to say is that this mascara is affordable and this is really beautiful. Now I can also add false lashes, but I'm not doing so because I know that most of the girls don't use false lashes, plus they are not more that much affordable. So I'm using just mascara and you can see how beautiful this looks. Now I'm using Maybelline New Instant Age Divine Concealer again for concealing my dark areas around my nose, the sides of my lips, chin and forehead, and I'm just gonna dunk it in with the beauty blender, some onto my bridge of nose. It's totally your choice if you want to use foundation after this, but if you're wearing makeup on Diwali or any party or marriage, you would like to use foundation. But if you're comfortable wearing just a concealer and you know that it's enough, so you don't have to use foundation. I'm using Drop the Serum foundation from Sugar in the shade Fredo, and along with it I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You can use either one of them, but I thought of mixing two foundation today because Fredo is very much of my skin tone and the Fit Me foundation that I'm using, it's a bit lighter, so both these foundation would balance out the color that would come onto my face after applying this. I'll be giving you all the links in the description box for the products that I'm using. For bronzer, I'm using this Sugar palette. Now it also consists of highlighter and blush, but I'm gonna be using both of these products differently, and I'm just taking some amount of it onto my brush, and you can see it creates a kind of depth onto your face, and later I'll blend it with the blush so that it gives a good texture to your makeup and it brings out your features very well. For blush, I'm gonna be using Color Bar blush in the shade Coral Craving, and you will be seeing that it's a bit pinkish orangish type of blush and it will look very beautiful. And I'm just gonna be putting blush onto my cheekbones, and both the bronzer and the blush will blend it together and it will look very beautiful. See, I am a kind of person who loves to use blush as much as possible because even if you're not wearing any makeup, you can just use your concealer and blush and you are good to go. Some tips for your bronzer and blush is that if you have a brown lipstick, you can use it for bronzing, and if you have a red lipstick or pink lipstick, you can lighten it accordingly, and it could act as a pink blush, and you won't be needing anything extra. This is for whenever you are running short of makeup or you don't have it. Look at that makeup face. Now I'll be using the face powder again. It's the Maybelline one, and what I'll be doing is I just dunked the beauty blender into the powder, and I'm just sweeping it in the area of my lower cheek, so that the bronzing and the blush that I have done is being given a nice finishing touch, and it defines your features very well. I'm just gonna be putting some onto my bridge of nose, and I'll just wait for 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'll just sweep it off with the brush, and you will see the effect that it creates. Now for highlighting the high points of my face, I'm again using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and you will see how it turns out to be. For lipstick, I'm using Maybelline Color Sensational by Color Sense in the shade Pink 2.
The makeup that I have done in this tutorial is basically for 3 kurtis that I'm gonna be wearing today. Yes, you heard it right. Just one makeup look and you can style 3 kurtis out of it. Yes, I have used different jewelries.